Moving on to the capacity rules. This is where we can define how many active interactions a user may have. So if we were to take our super agents as an example, we're going to create a new version. One thing to note is a lot of the CxEngage configurations have versioning. So if you go and make a change and you break it or you don't like it, you can very quickly roll back to a later version. In this case, we'll create a new version, so super agent version. We can define the number of active interactions across all the channels that CxEngage currently supports. So as an example, maybe this is a super user group. I want them to have 3 active SMS. I could define maybe I want 5 active emails being worked on, maybe 2 active messaging items, so Facebook Messenger or web chat. And we also have work items as well. Work items is going to allow us to work with additional channels in the future, such as Twitter and Facebook, and other work items as well. In this case, maybe we select to allow for 6 work items. We can define the flexibility of this rule. I can say the rule type if any of the textual conditions are met, meaning if I had 2 messaging items and a voice call, I would be considered fully allocated. If I were to change this rule to all of these conditions need to be met before I'm considered fully allocated, meaning 3 open SMS, 5 open email, 2 open messaging items, and 6 work items with 1 voice call. If I were in that current state, the CxEngage platform would know not to offer any work. So as you can see, it's very flexible in what we can offer. We can also strip it down and make it as restrictive as needed. Maybe this is a new agent. We only want them doing 1 thing at a time, and that's 1 voice call. Or we can also apply this rule to any of the textual channels. I could also say I only want you doing 1 email at a time until you get more familiar with the contact center. So very flexible as well as very restrictive, and you can create as many capacity rules that are assigned to individual users as needed.